Good morning, guys! It is our last day in Osaka. We are traveling to Tokyo today, but I just needed to come to Dotonbori one more time to show you guys probably my favorite thing that I've eaten in Japan so far. It is this amazing freshly made taiyaki stand. So taiyaki is a little fish-shaped pastry kind of thing, and they fill it usually with red bean. That's really common, but this place also does sweet potato and Madagascan vanilla custard, which is fucking amazing. It is so hot and fresh, and I will show you guys.
No red bean. Milk ice. Milk ice. Milk ice, okay?
The green tea. Green tea. Green tea.
Okay, so here are the taiyakis. Kind of can't remember which flavor's which. And this is what it looks like. Cheap fishy. First up we have red bean, maybe?
No, sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato. This is custard.
Hot custard.
What do I see inside? It's steaming. It's so hot and delicious. I don't know if you guys can see. There are like vanilla beans in there. It's so good. It tastes so delicious. This one is sweet potato, I think. What?
Because between the last video, you were like,
This one's sweet potato.
It's like, this is, no, this is custard.
This is sweet potato. Oh shit, it's custard. Let me try one.
Yeah, this is sweet potato.
Oh, so hot. It's nice.
Is it?
Yeah. Tastes like sweet potato. I definitely like that better.
Yeah, the custard.
But I like this too. My sister hates custards.
Really?
I know. But she would love this.
Really?
She loves sweet potato. I like it. Okay.
I'm not a fan.
I feel like if you will know if you
Yeah.
will like sweet potato. It's just like a sweet potato puree that's more sweet
Yeah.
than normal sweet potato.
Yeah. If you don't like sweet potato, don't get this one.
Same goes if you don't like custard, don't get the custard one. And if you don't like red bean, don't get the red bean one. This is the golden
Traditional,
standard
yeah.
for taiyaki. Traditional. You can get this pretty much everywhere that you can get taiyaki, red bean. Tastes like red bean. The custard one is definitely the best one to get. These are yummy. You know, you will like the sweet potato, you'll know if you like the red bean. They are all delicious and hot. As far as taiyakis go, filled with red bean, that's a good one.
Yeah. Red bean's alright.
Yeah, get the custard.
Yeah.
The custard is lit. And by the way, this place is called Naruto Taiyaki Honmpo.
The tail's the best part.
Also, the tail is the best part because it's crispy. And this is just in Dotonbori in Osaka. They also have one in Kobe. Maybe more locations elsewhere. The last thing we're gonna eat before we leave Osaka is this giant takoyaki. I don't like how that's so bumpy.
Yes.
Anyway, we just got the normal takoyaki with sauce and mayonnaise. Trying it.
Yeah. Did you go get with us? Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's so hot. This one has like kind of like rice bubbles, I don't know. So yummy. Hello and welcome to Tokyo. We have arrived, well, we actually arrived this afternoon and then we had to rush off to our dinner because we were running late. So the room is a little bit, not messy, but not pristine, but I will show you guys around anyway because this place is actually pretty nice for Tokyo. It's actually a very spacious room. Here we are in our entranceway. We have these nice little buttons to make up the room or do not disturb. How do you turn the light on in here? Oh, automatic, even better. This is the little bathroom. Very nice, with a bidet, of course, to spray some water up your butthole if you're so inclined. At the bathroom, the sink, very nice. This is quite tiny. I would get in there to show you scale, but it'll be a bit hard. Shower. This is a shower room. We've got our little raindroppy shower and also a detachable shower head. That's nice. This is pretty spacious bathroom for Japan, to be honest. To the main room, we got 2 separate beds because me and David don't actually sleep together. That's a lie. We just booked this twin room. I don't know, was that all that was left?
I don't know.
I don't know why we did this, but we
ago.
were a bit concerned. We asked for an upgrade, but they were fully booked. But these beds are actually quite big and they're pushed together, so it makes one giant bed, so that's fine. Nice little seating area that David made all messy. That's fine, don't worry about it. And wait for it, we have a nice little view of the streets of Ginza. That concludes the room tour. So much, feels so much, so many downlights. Feels so much, why do you do that? This feels so much more spacious than our place in Osaka, so very happy about that. We're here for 8 nights. Okay, bye. Good morning. So today is a new day. We actually had a great sleep here. I don't know if I mentioned in the room tour last night, but we are staying at the Grand Bach, like the composer, Grand Bach, whatever, hotel in Ginza. And it is delightful here, to be honest. It's so nice to have a little bit more space, some more sunshine. Yeah, really nice. We didn't bother to go down for breakfast because our friends went down and it is like a sandwich, yogurt, fruit and soup, which we were like, nah, I'd rather go to 7-Eleven or something. So that's what we're gonna do soon, get a little snack. And then on the agenda today is we are gonna go to Harajuku, do some shopping. Oh, my pink hair is like fading out so much. I don't know why, I just can't maintain colored hair. Maybe it wasn't strong enough because I did get it quite light. But maybe I want to find like a pink rinse or shampoo or something while I'm here because I want to have pink hair for a bit more. It's too blonde now. Anyway, let's go. It's noisy. We finally made it to Ichiran. This is the Shimbashi store. After trying like 5 times in Osaka at the Dotonbori store, we decided we'd just save it for Tokyo because there are so many more locations, so it's more likely for them to be less busy. So we're finally here in our little booths. It's noisy. Jokes. It's not that noisy. Is it even? What? I'm so excited. I would have shown you guys the little slip that you fill out. You order at the vending machine and they have it in English as well, so it's really easy to order. and then you fill in the slip to tell them what you like in terms of your noodles and the flavor and stuff.
お待たせいたしました。あ
ありがとうございます。
りがとうございます。
It's spicy. It's just so flavorful. It's like the perfect amount of like richness for me. Some tonkotsu ramens can be like really intense. It's just perfection. So hot. Okay, so that was Ichiran in Shimbashi. Seriously, the most fucking reliable meal. It's like $10 for a bowl of ramen and it is so good. So if anyone wants to fight me in the comments, please, I welcome you. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and it is a must visit every time I'm in Japan, at least one time. I want to eat that again one time before we leave. Anyway, bye! So we did some damage at the shops, a small amount of damage, and now we are here at Harajuku Gyozaro, which you might recognize from Sydney, but this is like the OG Harajuku Gyozaro, right?
They're not related.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, they're not related. I'm pretty sure they are.
Oh.
I'm like 80% sure.
Okay. So they just stole it?
Yeah, they just stole the concept, I think.
Wow. This place looks really good. We got this like bar seating so we can see it being made. And it smells really nice in here. We are trying the Japanese, shiso gyoza. It's like a pork gyoza, I believe. I don't know. So hot. Oh.
Yeah, they're pretty hot. I like it without the shiso.
Well, I like shiso. I like the taste of shiso.
Yeah.
Haven't tried these ones yet. Nice and crispy. Like $4 for a plate of 6
You need help on those as well.
gyoza, which is crazy. $3.60 to be exact. And there wasn't much of a line today, which is great.
Yeah. Last time I went.
Yeah, absolutely no line.
Last time I went, it was like a 1.5 hour wait.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
We came at a really good time. There's a line outside now, so we came at like 3:30 or something, so just killing it with the timing, if I do say so myself.
Tokyo's been better.
Yeah, Tokyo's been better. Osaka's really crazy. We are here at, what's this place called?
ZAKUZAKU.
ZAKUZAKU. It's on Takoyaki Street, the main street in Harajuku. But we are here to get the soft serves.
Which is amazing.
Amazing. We have the normal soft cream one, which is a bit slanted, but it's fine, and the caramel choc top one, which looks so good. Why is it bending towards me? The texture's so nice. It's so creamy. Oh my god, this one's so good. We're back from dinner. Did I even film that? I didn't even film anything at dinner.
Did you bring it up?
Okay, don't worry. Bye.